Hi everyone, Sirius Minds here, bringing to you to another chemistry question, this time from the 2018 paper 3 question 3 from the Combined Science Chemistry paper. The following 5 boxes describes 2 solids, 2 liquids, and a gas. Okay, so right here, we look all the way down, identify each F, G, H, I, and J as an element or compound or mixture by placing a tick in the appropriate column in table 3.1. Okay, so we need to determine whether they are element, compound, or mixture, simply as that. So let's look at F. When a magnet is passed over powdered solid F, some of the powder is attracted to the magnet. Okay, so the key word here is some of the powder is attracted to the magnet. Means, in other words, some of the powder is not. So it is very obvious here it is a mixture because some of them will be attracted to magnets, some of them is not. Okay, so F is a mixture. Okay, now we look at G. Liquid G is the only chemical form when hydrogen burns in oxygen. So let's say we have hydrogen plus oxygen. What do you get? And it's a liquid. So I guess all of us know that. So it's H2O. H2O is a compound, so G is a compound. We look at H. This curve resulted when cooling liquid H. So you see that there are 2 breaks in the curve. So there's a break here and a break here. This only happens when a change of state happens. Okay, so when it hits the first point here, it does not go horizontal. There's no horizontal line. Instead, there's a diagonal line slowly going downwards, right? So when this happens, it only happens in a mixture. If it's an element or a compound, the curve will go very differently. It will go like that. It will be a parallel line, and it will maintain the same temperature throughout until the full change of state happens. So H is a mixture as well. So we look at I. Solid I will not conduct electricity when it is a solid, but melts at a fixed temperature to become a conductor. Okay, so first of all, there are 2 sets of information right here. Is that it does not conduct electricity when it's a solid. Okay, does not conduct electricity, but melts at a fixed temperature. Okay, and become a conductor. Okay, so first of all, that the first thing is that we look at that it melts at a fixed temperature. So as we learned from H just now, if it is a mixture, it will not be the fixed temperature throughout. But this is a fixed temperature. So we can surely say this is not a mixture, so it's either element or compound. So the other clue is that when it melts, it becomes a conductor. So in the liquid form, for I, it conducts electricity. Okay, so what can this tell you? It conducts electricity when it's in a liquid form, and it does not conduct electricity in the solid form. So this is obviously in an ionic bonding. So ionic compound. Okay, so as the name suggests, ionic compound is a compound. So last but not least, J. All the atoms in a molecule of gas J are identical. So this is a hallmark sign of it being an element.